Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got a I have another mail call, and this is the last doubles pack I needed for Spin Master Monster Jam from 2019, and it is Megalodon versus Pirate's Curse with a couple of color variations, and this Megalodon here looks a lot more realistic, and this is actually the one from Thunder Alley. This Pirate's Curse is a custom concept, and it's got these like gold doubloon rims, which I thought were pretty cool, and it's got the older paint scheme of the revised Pirate's Curse. So without further ado, let's get these bad boys unboxed. But here they are. First, let's take a look at Megalodon. So Megalodon has you know, the similar graphics, but obviously the new thing is the teal blue rims, which I think look a lot cooler on Megalodon. This Megalodon, in my opinion, looks a lot more realistic. Yeah, this is basically supposed to be the one from Thunder Alley, so that's pretty cool. So finally glad to have this in the collection. And then here we have Pirate's Curse. Now this one's pretty cool. You got the older painted chin, which is pretty cool. You got the face, the older color of the face, the swords, and then obviously they updated the bandana, which looks pretty cool. I love the old color brushing that they did on this one. There's the gray chassis, and then obviously my favorite thing, these gold doubloon rims. Now, I'm sure customizers would love these. I'm sure people would body swap Gravedigger the Legend on this chassis, and I don't know, but well, I'm sure that's what they used to do until the one from the Retro Rebels this year has come out. So yeah, so that was the quick unboxing of the last double pack that I needed from 2019, which was the Megalodon versus Pirate's Curse 2-pack. Basically, it's who is the ruler of the sea? I think that's what the double pack is, but definitely pretty cool. Finally glad to have these, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. More unboxings and more other content coming soon. Peace out.